And now it is time for bout number 12. The only female boxers that we are going to see in this event. Are we ready for them? Once again, are we ready for the female boxers?
Super Fight Series 5. Ladies fight blue corner Renu Phogat, 26 years old, 170 centimeter height, 55.30 weight kg, 170 reach. Nastaran Fathi, she is coming from Dubai. She is 34 years of age, 165 centimeter height, 55.33 kg, 163 reach.
This is Super Bantamweight Division, bout number 12 of Battle in Mizoram. Introducing first, from Rohtak, Haryana, ladies and gentlemen, blue corner, Renu Phogat! And her opponent, all the way from the United Arab Emirates, Dubai, ladies and gentlemen, red corner, Nastaran Fathi! These are the official duties for the bout. Judge number 1, Lal Malsoma. Judge number 2, Lal Sani Manamte. Judge number 3, Zak Shivala Ma. Referee, Malsom Sara. Introducing first, standing on my left at the age of 26 years old and standing 170 centimeter with 55.337 kilogram, all the way from Rohtak, Haryana, with a professional record of 7 wins, 3 losses and 2 knockouts. Ladies and gentlemen, blue corner, Renu Phogat! And standing on my right, all the way from Dubai, the United Arab Emirates, at 34 years of age and standing 165 centimeter with a professional records of 14 wins, 1 loss and 3 knockouts. Ladies and gentlemen, red corner, Nastaran Fathi!
Okay. This fight is
no punching below the belt,
uh,
punching at the back of the head.
tonight. Only women fights on this tonight. Our blue corner, Renu Phogat. She is coming from Haryana and the states of Rohtak. Super bantamweight. She is 55.37 kg and 26 years old. His height is 170 centimeter. His professional career is 7 wins,
Round
3
1.
losses, no draw, 2 knockout. Her reach is 170 centimeter. His stance is her stance is orthodox. Nastaran Fathi, red corner. She is coming from United Arab Emirates, Dubai. So super bantamweight divisions 55.37 kg. She is 34 years old. She is 165 centimeter height, and her professional record is 14 win, 1 losses, 0 draw, 3 knockout. Her reach is 163 centimeter, and her stance is orthodox. They both orthodox. Renu Phogat coming from India, and Nastaran Fathi coming from United Arab Emirates, red corner. And they are both experienced in professional boxing. Renu, Indian boxer, blue corner is 7 wins, 3 losses, and Nastaran, red corner from Dubai, UAE. Her professional records is 14 win, 1 losses, and no draw, 3 knockouts. Their stance is two same, orthodox. They both attack, so they give they try to give opportunity to chance to take. And Nastaran is too experienced in boxing, and Renu Phogat also experienced in professional boxing. Renu Phogat, Indian boxer. She is coming from Haryana. She's starting boxing in 2026, and he is her career statistic is amateur national champion, and
Okay. Now we'd like to express our heartfelt gratitude to our esteemed sponsors. Their support has been instrumental in making this professional boxing event a success. We acknowledge their contribution and appreciate their trust in our vision. Thank you to our
clear the ring.
sponsor for believing in us. Grassroot Boxing Promotion, Crown Boxing Promotion, LPS Arena,
Round
Indian
2.
Boxing Council, USA Universal, www.pm.com, Icon Auto, Sete Boxing Academy, and I Do Play.
Okay.
Oh,
Nastaran Fathi, she is coming from Dubai. She started career in 19 years old in kickboxing.
oh,
She is a national champion.
mm,
So she started boxing in 2024.
mm.
WBC Middle East champion belt, super bantam, and world ranking. She's now in world ranking, super bantamweight. She's now world ranking 13.
Oh,
Wow, 13
yeah, yeah.
in world ranking.
Mm.
Nastaran Fathi.
Mm.
She's a good boxer. So now we'll see how good she is and how good he play. How good she play.
Tuna landana hi chuanin Dubai boxer Fathi hi voisom pali achak to voi khat achak lo to draw ala nei lo wa chak jok thurang ngai ne amaro chu atum pui hi Phogat hi teammate ang Phogat hi
Renu Phogat.
oh ani hi voi sari chak toin voi thum achak lo to draw ero ala nei lo ni chu wang chon ai nuai to ka heti alandana hi chuanin Fathi hi chak jok turanga be se ani amaro chu boxing a chung kan soi to ang khanin chak tur lo chu ring chung a soi felangai thina chu wang chonin meichi le meichi ti ringo thian ni lova
Okay.
ani noi viau turangai taila tu alanda na hi chon online ne tok viau ani win zat ti vel kha enga mai ngai lo online noi ni
Okay, she's too good boxer as well. Then round 2 is over. Nastaran Fathi, we already saw that she started a career in kickboxing at 19 years old.
Yeah.
She is an UAE and Dubai national champion. And so to 2024, she started boxing career, and she win a middle WBC Middle East belt, super bantam. Also, she is a world ranking now in 13.
Wow.
She's a good
It's
boxer. Renu also a good boxer. She started boxing in 2016. She's coming from Haryana in the state of Rohtak.
Seconds. Clear the ring.
She is a national champion in amateur.
Round 3.
Tuna hianin LPS Arena tangin boxing munom tak en mek ani.
Nastaran came to a little bit closer, and Renu Phogat try to defend herself. Only defense is not a good fight, but she trying to defense, but she's still so aggressive. So we'll see that. Nastaran trying to knock down. According to her records, Nastaran Fathi a 14 win, one loss, 3 knockout. She trying to knock down Renu, but Renu
7 win.
Renu 7 wins,
3 loss.
3 losses, and
0.
no draw.
Yeah.
0 knockout. They try to wrestling. They try to wrestling. Who I did? That is also the same in boxing.
Oh.
Close fight. Nastaran.
Tuna landana hi chuanin Fathi hian annor deuzokin asia tatin experience boxer ani na kha alan tir deuin alanga chuti rol chuanin Phogat hianin tlom mai tumbik lo mo
kan sai phok thina trong kam moi lo ta sela Mizo ni lo chu Indian pu kan Indian pu Mizo chen vai kan ti mai vai han ti mai te la trong kam moi lo wa mi long sa lo ta ula endurance hai nan chang reng se me an tlo thi ni chu andang lam na te po ani ti la kan sai solam lo ve Nastaran also Nastaran po hi boxer cha ani ya kan sai phok thin achina kan sai to sai nang khan she started boxing she started a career in kickboxing at 19 years old, and she is a national champion in United Arab Emirates. And so she started boxing in 2024, and she win WBC Middle East belt in super bantamweight. And she's now world ranking in 13, 1-3, no 3-0, 1-3.
Seconds.
Position.
Clear the ring.
She's a good boxer. Okay.
Tuna hian boxing munom tak kan en mek
Round 4.
kan soi tong kan Renu Phogat Haryana boxer le Nastaran Fathi Dubai boxer mai chia te nek mek ania tuna ril ru lo lan dan mai me chama te mo kan Mizo me che boxer I khongen omang ti hey zona hi lo om ve ni chu
adik che chu
mi tam tak professional tuna po an om mek la ya me che boxer an om lo hi eng tin nge kan tiang ti te po hi zona hi om ve de win kan sia
adik che lo
chane mai thil thua
ei tam tak zona po nia chuti rol chuan mei chetan hian boxing an kelte hi kan nam hitle ma kan la nge kan la hol zau kan la huang zau to lo na nge ni mei che boxer te patil te kan tia tin enge sports lama mei chakal tam takhi ไอ้เจ้าอันที่ป่าไม่ตีกันนี่ที่ตั้มตักพวกเรานี่โตชินดานแต่พวกนี่เวบุกะส่วนส่วนตัวนี้มันลันดานะส่วนไม่ใช่ท่านเห็นสปอร์ตลันฮีอาหารสเวบุกนี่จู่อันนี้รอนเคลดูตั้มตักอนมรัวลินยังไงกันเรื่องมาส่วน discrimination ที่ไม่ยังin action นะตั้มลุตุกะจินมีมาสาแต่พอเราซื้อเราแต่พอนี่มาหน้าเลยข้างกันบ็อกเซอร์ตั้มตักฮีสเตดังอะไรรำดังอะไรส่วนปัสสัลฟันเอาเตียนในทีวีกันนี่ขัดยังเขามีส่วนพวกกันในทีเราฉันตัวรำจูงเงินนี่ขัดที่ข้างรอนตีเสละปากแค่ไงเราอันมานี่เกลียร์กันบ็อกซิ่งตัวนี้บ็อกซิ่งต้องเคลไม่เสละฟุตบอลตัวนี้ฟุตบอลเคลไม่เสฮอกกี้ตัวนี้ฮอกกี้ตัวเคลไม่เสละสุดท้ายที่ส่วนอันไม่เช่นนี้นะครับลังตีเท่าเสละสุดท้ายที่จะไปหมดไล่แบบนี้กันเราวินใช้ดานะเห็นอดีตเราบุกที่กันเรียนรู้ผลบางสปอร์ตแมนที่แมงสปอร์ตแมนกันไม่ใช่พวกหัวไม่กับไงไตละข้าขันกันมานี่บูรวกกันเรียนรู้ผลพวกอัดที่ดังลำชีนะขณะยาสปอร์ตสวัสดิ์จิตเร่งพวกขันดังลำมันตุ้งตะทักชีนั่นไม่ใช่ไหนไม่ใช่ตัวนั้นจะไปเสียงเช็ดตัวเนี่ย
กันจังกังเสียละ
ฟุตบอลเลอร์โดนเมลชาแต่พวกนี้ต้องลงตัวข้างแต่การดูเดวสินดินฮอกกี้ละมาทุกคนเสียโดนเมลชาบ่ไม่เจ้าเดือดร้อนไงป่าเราให้มีก็ไอ้เจ้ากระจงลูกตกจงกระจงนางติดกับเราชีนะจงลูกตกลงไม่ยังค่ะจ้ะมีปอยสวยแค่จุลเว้ยมีปอยสวยแค่จุลชินแล้วเว้ย
หมูนมแค่ไหนตัวน่ะไฟหมูนมตัก
seconds gathering
เทนตัวที่ Grassroot Boxing Promotion Crown Boxing Promotion LPS Vision Indian Boxing Council USA Universal www
round 5
honorary.com Icon Auto Sete Boxing Academy le I do play te ni ti kan sai le do ni fighter en chun zom le ngali la o tunalan dana hi chuanin enge imu dan shim red corner hian Fathi hian anor zok im o chak zok the meng emo ti ngai dan hi kan lo ni dewa
kemin sila sino Renu Phogat po yan a career may ama nge professional career at khiri chuan atlau do ka ringa atlau do ni puna langa
chuti jong ma
Nastaran hen nge anor ngar ni Renu hi ain ve ngara tin defensive position la chuan attack tu nei ve chau nangin tunalan dana chuan professional boxing shim le boxing dana shim hian in nek tam lo shim pon se attack tu hian advantage han de ngal de box shim ma kala kha ton de muna chuan Nastaran hi ding chang zok hei ron nga ani to ding chang zok ka nga ya in nek fu chiang tak tam tak chu lo om lo ma sila in me che chu te men ku thlak te lo na alo nep de bok ka mi pa ti ain experience atang chuan Nastaran hian sop shep tura ke ma lo ma dan so ni to ber mai
ne tero alam dan ai jon achak tura han ringo da amaro chu sanin hi kan rin hi an chak du rio me kan se sa ai moti ti thei dur hian ni
script te moti me tur hian kan rin hian on chak zel mai amaro chu point petu ni lo mai la lan dang kha ang ve thawa
ke ni chu asoi mai tur kan lal lo
an nimina han Nastaran hi ka koma interview potlem te kan ne puya Nastaran Fathi hi ka se dang khan i kalau rol LT kalau rol othin ka ti na chu i thei to pin boxing tan abeya amaro chu ama ki nge apalo mei che tak nu nap mi pa na kan kom pei chuan i nge ka se nang Mizo mei chen nu nap kan se yang khan min dong song ani khatiangข้า
นูนับทั้งสี่ริงช่วงจนป่าเลยสักสี่เขาโม่
profession เขาจุดดังอันนี้ profession จุดดังอันนี้
อามูนมเลยแม่กันตีตัวให้เรานั่นเราโซเลเดอร์มา
โซเลเดอร์ตัวเราคัดเสียบ่าวเลยตัวนี้อามูนมเชียร์ในสานินสุอามูนมเราอีโนที่ไม่เทียกี่มันนั่นฉันหมูนม
ลุตกหมูนมลุตก
หมูนมลุพอดีทีพวกกันนี่เหรอนี่หมูนมเป็นเด็กไม่นี่
จานี่นะอันนี้เฮกน้ำหุ่นที่ LPS Arena ดีค่ะ
seconds gathering
จะมีบากาชวนนี้ไลฟ์อันเป็กชวนให้ I do play อันนี้ที่ข้าเสร็จแล้วบอกอีละ I do play he
Round six.
chuan in apps run lar thar tak mai khan ni a mobile phone na mate po install
Chalai inia I do play shit lo chuan
oh
in update ngai
ni
tiang kan ti ve tiang tro
adi kereng tuna landana hi chuan in Dubai boxer hian annor red corner hian annor ne ma mai mo ti theya chuti rol chuan in Phogat hi han ti deuh kherila
Mizo taka Phogat tingai lon tro
zo lai tu la ron leng an ni boka ngam lo deuh zokem o ati theya amaro chuti rol chuan alo chang le dik ve thei boxi chu lai chuan sia thiam chu har khop mai kan en zelanga hei 6 round ani to boka result kan set chho thei mai tu rangai la kan predict fu le ngam chu shiat lawa
okay eyes on this match we all know that Renu Phogat she is coming from India Haryana state of Haryana she is a national champion amateur and the red corner Nastaran Fathi she is coming from United Arab Emirates UAE she started boxing she started career in kickboxing she is only 19 years old she is 7 national champion in kickboxing and 2024 she started boxing a career she win WC Middle East belt and super bantam weight belt she is now in current world ranking 13 so she is too good fighter but now Nastaran he's a maybe we think that Nastaran is a good have a point but we always say that we are now a judge we are not a judge so round is over 6 round is over
round an so le an la chaw lo he na asia ta ni tro 7 round an noi chole dona hatia han en mai chuan in unfit to ni an mani professional profe Mizo ta ka kan tiang khanin an profe to ni chuwang chuan in chau mai hian chau hian ati buai lo ni ti hi siat khopin alanga chuwang chuan in tuna po hian in anai nuai lenga angai ang deuh bok khana alani chou theidon in alanga tuiwanga phurwanga hanti veringot a hale nop tiang chi kha anni chuna langlem lo mei chia ti ringot kha ni lo wa hei kan huang hian in ring chu
Seconds.
theito
Clear the ring.
an fit bok ani theitop an ha tu king ani ti hi alang ngoi na siata heta tangpo hen zir tur tam tak
Round 7.
ang zong te bain soi tai la kan nei hle ni tia kha kan soi du le tuna hian in Dubai boxer Fathi hian an nor le ngala anor danaro chon adu ang hian anek thei big lo ani Haryana boxer Phogat hian in achang let ve thei zel mai boxia chu wang chon record ti vel kha enga vak ma hen an ngai lo ni na lang ani
okay I don't know about this I don't know what to say about this match Renu Phogat coming from India and Nastaran Fathi coming from United Arab Emirates so they deserve to win both but Nastaran Fathi she's an experienced boxer she's coming closer and she got some skills Renu Phogat defends herself but she trying to win she